Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Solutions Nerds. In this video I'm going to show you how you can run up and running Linux on your system without installing it, and you can experience Linux system on your browser. This video is all for all those who wants to shift from Windows to Linux or from Mac and do not know how to use a Linux, but they want to experience the Linux terminals, the Linux system, everything. So this video is for those. So without wasting any time, let's get started. But before that, if you're new to your YouTube channel, then hit the subscribe button now for future videos. Now let's back to the video. Let me get back to the video. So first of all, let me open the browser here. You need to go to this site www.onworks.net, then click on it. Once you go there, you will see here free server and workstation, and here you will select Ubuntu, anything, and I will select Ubuntu and then click on Run Online. It will create the online system for you, so wait for it. It will prepare everything for you and then click on enter. We are now starting, so it is just preparing a server for you. So wait for 4, 3, 2, 1 and then click on enter, and it will load your system right here online, and you can experience everything you want to learn in Linux. And if you want to shift from Windows or Mac to Linux, you do not need to install Ubuntu or Linux on your system. So this is up and running your system right here. It will show onwards, trash, everything is here, right? Then you can also use Firefox from here. Click on Firefox and it will up and running, but it will a bit slow, but not that slow. It's really good. And let me click on this at the bottom side, show applications, and for example let me search the terminal, because Linux is all about terminal. Then click on terminal, and for example let me say echo, and here I will say Solutions Nerds, and it will show you everything. So here, go there and check out and learn Linux here online. You do not need to install it on your system. Just go there on works.net and experience everything a Linux offer, what its benefits. If you want to learn Linux, if you want to jump into Linux, then click on settings. For example, I'm go to settings, and here all the things will be up and running here, and then I will click on about. So it will give you by default 3 GB memory. The processor will be KVM processor, and also it will give you the graphics, and the dex memory will be 32 GB, and everything is right here. You can also change everything, the appearance, everything from here. So go there, check out. I will select light and it will shift to light, and if you want to dark, it will shift to dark. If you want to learn and experience Linux and different variety of Linux, go there to this site and do your work there. If you fulfill everything, after that install it on your system and you are good to go. So this was a quick video how you can run a Linux on your browser without installing it. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.